This tiny ESP32 is processing live audio, rendering real-time graphics, and hosting a full web dashboard with live FFT spectrum analysis, waveform rendering, waterfall effects, peak frequency detection, and full-screen music visualizations, all at the same time. And somehow, this is running on a microcontroller. This project uses an ESP32 S3 for real-time processing, an INMP441 digital microphone for audio capture, and a TFT display for rendering live graphics. ESP32 continuously analyzes the incoming sound, calculates frequency data, detects beats, and generates real-time audio visualizations, while simultaneously hosting a live web dashboard over Wi-Fi.
It uses SPI communication, while the INMP441 Microphone uses I2C communication. ESP32 S3 can handle both simultaneously with any problem.
First, let's connect the TFT SPI display with the ESP32 S3. Connect CS to GPIO 15, DC to GPIO 16, RST to GPIO 17, MOSI to GPIO 13, and SCLK to GPIO 14. For power, connect VCC to 3.3 volts and GND to ground.
Connect the backlight directly to 3.3 volt pin.
Yes, that's a lot of wires. Now let's connect the INMP441 digital microphone. Connect VCC to 3.3 volts and GND to ground. For I2S audio communication, connect WS to GPIO 4, SCK to GPIO 5, and SD to GPIO 6. Finally, connect the LR pin to ground to use the left audio channel. The microphone will now send digital audio data directly to the ESP32 S3 using I2S communication. Once all the connections are complete, we can move to the software setup and start building the visualizer. Now that the hardware is ready, let's move to the software setup. Create a new empty folder for the project. Then open Terminal inside that folder and type code. This opens the project directly inside VS Code. Now install
PlatformIO and your AI coding assistant. Now, instead of manually building everything from scratch, we'll let the AI generate the entire project. We'll ask it to create the TFT rendering engine, I2S microphone processing, FFT spectrum analysis, waveform animations, and the live web dashboard. The full AI prompt is available in the description below. Just copy and paste it into your AI coding assistant to generate the complete project automatically. I've also added the full source code, so you can directly upload it to your ESP32 S3 and start building your own audio visualizer. Now watch how the AI generates the PlatformIO setup, display configuration, audio processing pipeline, FFT calculations, web server, and the visualization system. The AI is generating DSP algorithms in seconds. After a few seconds, the AI generates the complete project structure, including the TFT graphics engine, audio spectrum analyzer, waveform rendering, Wi-Fi web server, and the live dashboard interface. The ESP32 continuously captures live audio, processes FFT frequency data, renders graphics on the TFT display, and streams visualization data over Wi-Fi in real time. Now connect the ESP32 S3 using USB, and then in VS Code terminal, write command PIO run-t-upload, and then press enter. Code will compile and firmware will start uploading to ESP32-S3. And there it is. The ESP32 audio visualizer is now running in real time. The TFT display now reacts to music, voice, claps, and environmental sound. The ESP32 continuously analyzes the incoming audio and converts it into real-time visual effects. The ESP32 also hosts a live web dashboard over Wi-Fi. Simply open the ESP32 IP address in your browser. And now we have real-time FFT spectrum analysis, waveform rendering,
waterfall visualizations, full-screen music reactive graphics, peak frequency detection, and live audio monitoring. This setup looks incredible in low-light environments, especially with RGB ambient lighting and full-screen visualizations. You can improve this project even further by adding Bluetooth audio, RGB LED strips, advanced beat detection, circular displays, battery power, touch controls, or a fully 3D printed enclosure. If you want more ESP32 AI projects featuring visualizers, smart displays, reactive lighting, and futuristic dashboards, subscribe for upcoming videos.